I'm in
Yeah,
Maharashtra. It's very warm here. I'm like, oh my God.
you
Okay,
are visible. Yeah, I
great,
can see
great.
you.
So,
Yeah,
hi Ashwin, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you? How about
I
you?
am good.
What's
I
going
am
on?
good. Thank you. Nothing, just
Okay,
daily routine, what I follow every day. That's it. That's all that's going on. Okay, Ashwin. So, where are you
okay.
from?
I'm originally from southern part of India. My state is
Right.
Karnataka. My
Okay.
native place is Mangalore. But currently,
Mm-hmm.
I'm connecting from Israel. Yeah, for
Okay.
the past 3 years, I'm working in Israel. Yeah,
Oh, you're in Israel. That's
yeah,
wonderful. Okay.
yeah,
So, for 3 years, you've been working in Israel. Right.
yeah.
And when was the last time you visited
Yes.
India?
Last year, I went to India in the month
Okay.
of May.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what about this year?
Actually, I supposed to travel 1 month ago
Okay.
because I'm going to build a house, in my native place.
Right.
So that is why, yeah, I'm arranging for a housewarming function
Oh,
in the
wow.
month of coming November. Yeah, I
Wonderful.
think Diwali time.
Okay.
Yeah,
The
I have a
house is all
plan.
ready?
So let's see how it goes. Yeah, house is just foundation work finished. So now
Great.
right, like step by step is going on. Yeah, my
Absolutely.
contractor told me that okay, I will do it. I will make it for
Wonderful.
you before November. Let's see.
Okay. Congratulations.
Okay,
I'm sure it would be
so
a great housewarming in November.
thank you so much. Okay, tell me about yourself. You are from which part of India? So what you
I'm
do
from
as a
Delhi. I'm
profession?
living in Delhi. That's the worst place you can be
Okay.
in India. So I'm in Delhi.
Because of dust? Because of dust?
Yes, the pollution stays at peak
Pollution.
24/7 and the Delhi
Okay.
traffic is deadly. I mean, you
Oh.
have to leave your house like 1.5 hours prior to your original timing by which you're planning to reach a place.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, it's a
Mm-hmm.
disaster. So you only step out during Sundays when the roads are a little less jam packed. But at the other times,
Uh-huh.
it's bad.
Yeah.
It's bad.
One of one more city, Bangalore. I have been in
Yes.
Bangalore almost three,
Okay.
4 years. I was working in Bangalore. What
Mm-hmm.
you said, Delhi, the same place, Bangalore also hectic traffic.
Oh my God.
Yeah, even rain comes,
True.
the vehicles are not moving at all.
Absolutely. This is
Yeah.
exactly what happened. Have you ever been to Delhi?
No, actually, I went one time, airport only. Yeah, I didn't
Okay.
roaming,
Indira Gandhi Airport.
all over the Delhi. But yeah,
Mm.
I know airport. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. That's good. There's this classic road traffic case that was there like last year or last
Okay.
to last year. So it was raining. It was like in the
Okay.
month of June
Mm.
or July when it was monsoon. And there is this Gurgaon road
Okay.
that is near Delhi.
Gurgaon. Yeah, I
Gurgaon
heard
road.
that
Yeah.
Gurgaon.
That
Yeah.
connects, yeah, that
Okay.
connects Gurgaon and Delhi. So that road
Okay.
stayed jam packed till 5:30 a.m. in the morning. So the people who had
Oh,
left
five
their
a
offices,
in the morning.
yes, yes. So the
Mm-hmm.
people who had left their
Mm-hmm.
offices the previous night, their offices got over at 8 p.m. It was a normal routine, normal day. And they left their offices at 8
Yeah.
p.m. and they were on the road till 5:30 a.m. in the morning. And we were just watching
Oh
them
my
on the
God.
news. They were in their cars, in their public transports. The traffic was just not moving. I don't know what the case was. There was some waterlogging
Yeah.
because of rain or something. And we were like, shit,
See,
thank
if
God we are not on that
normal
road.
people is okay. Yeah, for that condition, normal people is okay. If anything
Yes,
goes for emergency case, then difficult,
exactly.
like
That was very difficult.
ambulance, how they can catch ambulance.
Correct.
Even nothing will
For
be more. They have to go by flight only.
yes, either
If
rescue
anything good happen.
helicopters or something like that. Yes. But what the Delhi government did was there were ambulances who were stuck
Hmm.
within that traffic. So what they arranged was they
Okay.
arranged just one lane where they had to literally shift the cars
Mm-hmm.
from one lane to another so that at least the ambulances can pass by. So that road was
Mm-hmm.
only cleared for ambulance. but the rest of them were on the road
Mhm.
till 5:30 a.m. in the morning. So I'm like, oh my god.
Why this traffic jam happened?
It was raining heavily. It had been raining like
Okay,
for the
only
past
reason is raining
three
only.
to four
Yeah.
days. Yes, it had been
Okay.
raining very heavily for the past three to
Okay.
4 days. So the roads were like
Mm.
the sewage system and everything. It got overflowed.
Fog
So
as well.
that's the
Fog
reason that
also in Delhi, right?
yes,
Fog.
yeah,
I
it's
mean,
more like smog.
yeah.
You have smoke and fog
Mm.
mixed in it. So that's the
Yeah.
kind of thing that we have. So with Delhi people, it
Okay.
is that we are so used to the pollution that when we go to cleaner states, we fall sick. So it's like, no, we want that air. We want that polluted air.
Yeah.
We cannot breathe the fine air. This is the problem with Delhi.
Mhm.
And you
So
must have
now
heard
you
about the
know
crime
what
rate.
kind of precaution you have to take, right? Yeah.
Absolutely. I've been born and
Mhm.
brought
So
up
you are
here in
ready for
Delhi
it.
only. So Delhi is like
Okay.
in my blood. So I know all the things that I need to do to survive in Delhi.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So you are
that's
the
good.
perfect and how I can say the Delhi ladki.
Yes, maybe you can call me other you're a Delhi person. But yes, it just happens. So
Okay.
people like you who are living in cleaner air, you guys should stay away
Mm-hmm.
from Delhi. Not for you guys. That
Yeah,
happens.
and Delhi, how about weather also like in the warming? I mean, summertime it's extreme hot, right? During summer.
46 degrees we faced. So
It's
yes.
like a Gulf country. Hmm?
With the same temperature over there also. No.
Where
In Israel where you are currently. So do you have like that sort of a temperature there
not
also?
like Delhi, not like West
Delhi.
Bengal. Like my native place is Mangalore. I
Yes.
quite it is connecting same like similar like Mangalore weather because
Correct.
here almost 38, 42 something like that. Not more
Hmm.
than 42. Yeah,
Not more than
even
42.
extreme summertime.
Hmm.
Yeah, but
42
here
is still
extreme winter
high.
is there.
That is also high.
Yes,
Okay. If
yeah,
winters is
42.
you get low temperatures. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
winter is here almost sometimes 4, 3, yeah, like that.
Yes.
Even
Correct.
in the month of
Yeah.
February, yeah, in that month,
Oh,
January, February month will be extreme
yes.
winter is here. Yeah,
Right.
same like
Um.
Delhi, but Delhi is
Yes.
not
Same like
like
Delhi.
Israel.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Actually, what happened this year was 2023. We had one of the
Mm-hmm.
most brutal winters in January.
Mm-hmm.
So the temperature
Mm-hmm.
dropped to 3 degrees, which has never happened here in Delhi. So
Oh
for
my
the
God.
first time,
Oh.
temperature dropped to as low as
Mm.
3 degrees here in January. So I was like, I
Mm-hmm.
am going to die. This is my last winter that I'm going to survive because I hate winters. And it was 3 degrees,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm like, Shh, I cannot survive this. I cannot survive this.
Maybe
But we
expecting
managed.
next year 2 degree.
No, please don't say that. Please. I will move to south of India. I definitely will. But I cannot
Yeah.
tolerate winters. It's bad. It wasn't pretty. It was very
Mm-hmm.
ugly. But okay. Winters,
Mm.
summers, that's how Delhi is.
Yeah, because you guys used to know that kind of weather. I mean, for
Yes,
long time.
correct. Absolutely.
Mm.
But still, 3 days was too much to handle. Too much to handle.
Yes, I know that because you have to wear like double jackets and gloves. Everything you have to be like your uniform will be entirely changed in that time. Uh,
True.
you cannot be like that sleeveless.
Not at
Even
all.
winter time.
Yeah, I was taking a
Yeah.
session in the month of January, and that person was
Mm-hmm.
living in around Maharashtra, and I was wearing a
Okay.
jacket and a shawl. That's
Mm-hmm.
how cold it was in Delhi.
Yeah.
And that guy had his fan
Yeah.
on with half sleeves.
Uh,
So first of all,
you're
I
getting
paused. I'm
jealous.
like, first, I was literally like,
Mm.
where are you? In which country are you right now? So he's like, I'm in India. I'm like,
Uh,
what the hell? Where
uh.
in India are you? He's like, I'm in
Yeah.
Maharashtra. It's very warm here. I'm like, oh my god. So it was funny.
Maharashtra and Pune, I mean Mangalore or Bangalore also not like Delhi
Hmm.
and not like Jammu Kashmir,
Hmm.
right?
Yes, Jammu
Like
Kashmir
North
also stays
Punjab.
very cold, very cold.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it's just that Delhi is a little closer to the mountain areas. We have Uttarakhand, we have Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. So there is snowfall,
Yeah,
heavy snowfall that goes on entire
snowfall.
winters.
Yeah.
So because of those chilly
Mm-hmm.
winds that blow around the city, that's why it becomes very cold. It was brutal.
So then, which is your favorite month then out of 12?
This is okay for me. I am ready to tolerate
Mm.
46 degrees. I'm fine. But do not give
But
me these three,
cannot be.
4 degrees. So for me,
Yeah, very difficult, no?
winters become challenging. Yes. Hmm.
Mm. Mm.
What do you like? Like winters or summers?
I like actually winter because summer is like uncomfortable wherever I go outside and feel, like feel like sweating. you know,
Yes, it
yeah.
happens.
I feel like winter is better, I guess. Even raining
Winter is
season also I
better.
like. I love raining
Like,
season. Yeah, because in
right.
our side, Mangalore, there
It
almost
rains.
6 to 7 months raining only. Yeah.
Oh, okay. In winters also it's raining.
No winter. I just hardly 1 month will be winter. No, so
Hmm.
there is no much strong winter. But yes, summer is there. Like 36, 38. Now maybe 40 also it touch. I
Hmm.
think. Yeah,
Hmm.
same like
Uh,
almost Delhi.
Correct. The temperature doesn't stay that much as a problem as much as the humidity
Hmm.
becomes a factor. If it's humid,
Yeah, humid is
humidity
very
kills you.
difficult. You should.
Yes,
Yes, yes. You have to put AC on always.
correct.
In wherever,
Yes,
whenever you stay inside.
yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
You need that dry, cool air. You cannot survive with coolers
definitely.
which give you like that wet air.
Yeah.
It's not survivable. Correct. So the humidity is
Yes. Yes.
quite a problem. Correct. And Mangalore has humidity,
Yeah.
I think.
Humid.
Eh,
Yeah, Mangalore is same like yeah, like
coastal
Israel
areas.
only, but even summertime, coastal area. So Israel also where I'm staying is I'm very close to coastal area, like beaches.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. I'm a huge beach fan. I
Have you
love
been?
beaches.
Yeah, you guys don't have beaches, no, in your nearby your hometown.
Nothing at all. We have sewage lines that go around, but that is the closest we can be to a
Okay.
beach. But no beaches at all
Yeah.
here. That's what I die for,
But
literally.
have you been Mumbai?
No, never.
No.
Yeah.
Mumbai have beaches. Yeah.
For beaches, I've been to
Mm-hmm.
Goa and I was in Kerala
Mm-hmm.
once as a summer break thing.
Wow.
Kerala is
Kerala is a very
absolutely
nice place,
heavenly.
natural place.
Oh God, heavenly it was, heavenly, seriously. And to my surprise, I didn't know that coastal areas had waterfalls. So when we reached Munnar, it
Uh-huh.
was like at every 5
Okay.
kilometers you had a waterfall, and I was so
Yes.
mesmerized. I'm like, where are we?
Mm-hmm.
It's like we're in Kerala and you have waterfalls. So that place is heavenly, seriously.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Because you guys are, coming from different part of the world, no? So that's why if you see that kind of nature, you feel like,
Correct.
yeah, oh my God.
Where are we? It's like, has this
Yes,
place
yes,
been
like that
here
only.
the whole time and we didn't know?
Yeah.
So yes. In
You did
Delhi, you don't
boating
have such
in
attractions.
Kerala?
Oh, yes,
Mm-hmm.
we did. Yes, it was
Mm.
uh where was it? I think it was in the open sea of
River.
yeah.
Uh,
It actually, that river actually opened up into an ocean, right? So I am not
okay.
remembering which ocean was it. Was it the Indian Ocean or Bay of Bengal or which one? I'm not sure. But that one
Mm-hmm.
river where boating opened into a large sea, ocean. So when you
Mm-hmm.
reach there,
You did
you realize,
sailing? You did?
No,
No.
he didn't give us. He's like,
They didn't give you.
I cannot like trust in you with this boat.
Uh,
So you sit down and I'll
yeah.
just go away. So yeah, we didn't get a chance
Yeah.
to.
But we have to experience. Yeah, one time. You feel like, yeah. Even I
It
have a
must be
plan to go
interesting.
with my family. Yeah, coming months, I think. Yeah.
To
When I go
Kerala?
to India, I will. Yeah, yeah. Kerala. See, I'm shares border Kerala. So me, Mangalore and Kerala, it's like a border is almost 5 kilometers that way only.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
Kerala will start after Mangalore 5-10 kilometers. Kerala will start. Yeah.
Okay, Kerala starts.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
Mm,
that is interesting. So the thing is, when you're in
yeah.
Kerala, please visit Munnar.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Munnar.
Munnar is,
It's
I think,
a
the
very good place.
highlight of
Right?
the state.
Amazing
Yes,
place.
correct.
Yeah.
Yes. So it is neither too hot, neither too cold in Munnar. It is more of a like a hilly
Okay.
area. The waterfalls I was talking to you
Mm-hmm.
about, that actually mainly was
Mm-hmm.
in Munnar. Okay.
So
So
I went
Munnar
to
was
Ooty.
really
Have you heard
okay.
about Ooty?
Yes, I've heard of Ooty, but
Huh?
I've never been there.
Yeah, we went to Ooty.
Yeah.
Me and my wife. Our first
Okay.
honeymoon, we went to Ooty. Yeah, that was
First one. Where was the second one?
fantastic. Yeah, great experience. Great experience. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So
that
you
also we
went there
went
for
to
your
raining season.
correct. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
All right. So your first honeymoon took place in Ooty. Where did your second honeymoon take
Ooty
place?
and no Ooty, and while coming, that Mysore and all, we
Yeah.
we roam around and we came.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's so lovely. Okay. Is
yeah,
Ooty also kind of a hilly area?
yeah, yeah. Hill area. Yeah,
Hilly area,
many
right?
movies they have shooted. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Some of the movies they shooted in the Ooty location. Yeah, Ooty is a
Right.
very nice place. Yeah,
Correct.
especially for
Okay.
movies. Yeah.
Hmm.